Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kwamboka Judith. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to make a chemical peel face mask at home using an aspirin. And this is the type of aspirin that I'm going to use, the safety coated aspirin, 75 grams. So aspirin has this special acid. The word is too long and I cannot pronounce it well, so I'm going to write it down there. Yeah, so it has this special acid that is so important to our skin, so the face areas. So let's make a paste, apply it, then I'm going to tell you the importance of that acid that is found in the aspirin. So before I mix, I always use these wipes. These are charcoal facial white wipes. I do use them to wipe off the excess oil on my face. But you can also wash your face. You don't need to wipe, you can also wash it. So I'm going to take tablet, they're in tablet form. So I'm going to make a paste. I have water in my bowl. I'll put like 4 tablets. And because these ones are coated, they'll take longer time to dissolve. I think it's better if I crush them. So let me crush them, then I'll get back. So guys, this is the grinded aspirin. I'm going to make a paste using this water. I hope I've not placed a lot of water. And this is a caution to those who are allergic to aspirin. Please don't try this. If you're allergic to aspirin, don't try it. And if you're always allergic to a lot of things, consider doing a small test on a part of your skin before applying it. So here we have our paste. I'll go ahead and apply it. This can act like an exfoliator too. So you rub it like for about 5 minutes. Make sure every place, every part of your face is well covered. So I'm going to leave it on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it with warm water. As you're waiting for the 10 to 5 minutes to elapse, I'm going to tell you the importance of that special acid that is found in the aspirin. So the special acid that is found in aspirin has much more importance, and this And these are the importance of that special acid that is found in aspirin. One, it soothes the skin or the redness in the skin. Then also it relieves the itchiness of the skin. Then when you have acne, it can also fight acne. So this mask is a chemical face mask that you can make at home using aspirin. And also the last one, which is very important, it smoothens out wrinkles. And that's the most important part which I like about aspirin. So when you apply and you are consistent with this mask, this chemical mask, you will look much younger than you think. You will look 18 forever. And that's what every lady wants. So try this chemical face mask and see the results. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I'll rinse it off with warm water. Then you can apply any moisturizer that you have. You can always do this thrice a week or even every day. It doesn't have any effects. More so when you have more acne, you can try and do it every day. So if you have irritating skin, consider doing a patch test before applying it on your skin. And if you are allergic to aspirin, please, this is a caution. Don't do this chemical test or chemical mask. Don't do this chemical mask if you are allergic to aspirin. It also tightens the skin. So guys, let me rinse it off. Then I'll show you how I look. So guys, this is how my face looks after washing off the chemical face mask. So I'll go in with my Garnier Vitamin C moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you have. Look at that, guys. I'll highly recommend this aspirin chemical mask. So guys, go and try it out and let's meet in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you cannot miss any video. Until next time, bye.